Hello, I'm Stephen Edwards, Switching Product Manager for Pickering Interfaces. I'm here to introduce you to our latest high voltage LXI matrix platform, model 65218. High voltage switching is required in many automated test strategies. The applications include testing battery management systems for electric vehicles, simulating lightning strikes to aircraft, electronic product isolation testing, and many more. Multiple companies have asked us for a high voltage matrix that is field reconfigurable and easily maintainable by in-house support engineers. This new high voltage platform is our answer to these requirements. The platform comprises our LXI modular chassis, model 65-200-002, configured with up to 6 high voltage 50x4 matrix plug-in modules. The plugins are available in 2 variants, one supporting up to 400 volts and the other up to 750 volts. Each model has 2 amp hot and cold switching specifications with up to 60 watts of power. The chassis' 6 slots mean that the user can flexibly configure a matrix up to 300x4 connections in just 2U of rack space. Matrix expansion is via the chassis internal analog bus in the case of the 400 volt variant, or external cabling for the 750 volt version. Special attention has been paid to the signal path resistance, with the result being that all switch paths on the plug-in are typically 200 milliohms or less. The chassis is provided with our sequence manager that can be preloaded with up to 5,000 predefined sequences. With hardware triggering, the sequence manager dramatically decreases test times. As the matrices are modular, test engineers can easily add additional plugins or swap any defective modules. Using Pickering's burst or eBurst test tools, defective relays can be found quickly for fast mean time to repair. For more information, please go to pickeringtest.com. Thank you for your time.